Ready to go history hunting? Okay, let's go. Buckle up.
I took on this project, and Cliff, Patrick, and we scoured southern Orange County and northern New Jersey for stones that we thought would match or fit in with the existing stonework on the Porte-Cochere. And we actually collected about 100 stones by the time we got done. And I selected Steve DeFries of Middletown as a mason. He's worked on historic structures. And so he came and measured for the work. And he made me several samples of mortar of different shades that he thought might match the original. In 2016, on August 26th, the masons showed up early in the morning, and I was here. And they worked all day. The stones that we picked out were appropriate for the soldier course. Now, the soldier course is when the stones are laid with the narrow face in a line, which would resemble a line of soldiers. And that's why it's called the soldier course. And they were here all day, and they spent the day reconstructing the flower box. And at the end, I was able to help them by deepening the joints between the stones so that the naturalistic shadows that are in the rest of the structure would be evident. Differing from the original, we did put in some drainage. There's drainage holes. Here's a drainage hole. And we also, we were trying to think of something for a liner, because with the freeze-thaw cycle, we didn't want it affecting the structure. What I came up with was the undercoating that you use on vehicles, and put in about 8 coats of vehicle undercoating in the interior of the flower box. So it seems to be working. Of course, it's only been 8 years or whatever. The one thing that hasn't been done, we were going to mount a brass or a bronze plaque on one of the stones, or on, depending how large it was, a bronze plaque with the names of the people that were memorialized. And that has not been done. It was actually, the estimate was for much more money than the construction of the flower box. So we haven't done it yet. The treasurer does have the list of names, so that would be something for the future.